Hi everyone, welcome to Painting with Jess. Today I will be painting this cherry blossom tree in the sunset painting. It is my second in the series of these paintings and I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. For today's painting I'm going to start with purple, pink and orange for my sky, for my sunset, and then I'm going to go down to the water reflection in the bottom with the same colors. That's just a start. So as you can see, I'm adding some pink into the purple here and just blending it while the purple is still wet. So it's a lot of orange it looks like, but it's not going to stay like this. It'll get covered up partly. Alright, so now I'm going to do a mountain range in the back here, and I'm going to do a lighter gray for the further away mountains with a lighter gray, and then I'll do some closer mountains with a darker gray. Just kind of like an outline of a mountain range in the back. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I have a brush like this and I put very wet white paint on it, and I'm going to take most of the paint off and then just gently do circles over my mountains to make them look a little foggy. Just want it to look a little foggy, or not as... I'm going to get a dry brush for this too, because I think I got a little too much paint on there. That's good for now. So we're going to take off the tape, and then we will try doing a little bit more reflections in the water, but we'll do that after. So first of all, we will do the fun part, which is the sun, and then we will do after that we will work on the cherry blossom tree branches. And I think we'll do the sun probably around this area, and then the reflection comes down here. So we'll just do a round, of course a round circle where the sun is going. Okay, so now I'm going to let it dry and then do the sun reflecting in the water here. you can see, I'm twisting my brush as I'm doing the branches. I think that kind of helps them look like more like branches, but they're going to be covered in flowers anyway, so now again I'm going to use my Q-tip treatment where I tie the 3 Q-tips together, or however many you want to use. If you want to try this, and you just dip this into the pink and magenta and white paint, and then you can do the cherry blossom flowers, the dark pink, light pink that I can put in there is so nice. And as long as you kind of take your time and figure out where you want the blossoms to go. I don't know, I think that's kind of nice so far. Okay, so I think I'm going to be done, and I hope you enjoyed this painting. It's the second one in my series of cherry blossom tree paintings.